Hi, this is Tom Eddins, licensed acupuncturist, Tuina, and qigong practitioner, doing the Ba Duan Jin, the 8 silken movements. Number 5, wagging the tail and swinging the head. For this one, we get to go low again. So I'm going to sink down into a low posture. Again, if this is too much for you, you can practice it at a medium depth posture. But we come low, the hands come to the thighs for this one. And first thing I'm going to do is turn and then come down, head comes around, come up to the other side, and then a turn back to straight forward. So I want to let the tailbone be low, be sunken down, the head be elongated, and the spine just get this nice long feeling, even though I'm rooted down in the ground, sunken into the heels, weight spread out over the feet are gripping the ground. So I let the spine be nice and long, and I'll turn, sink down, come around, drawing a big circle with my head. Last thing is elongating the spine again. So turn, circle, and when I come up on turns to the other side, so I'll turn back to center. Remember the spine being long, let the head raise, and then go again. So the hands allow you to stabilize, but also to stretch and open up through the hip as we come around. And so we'll switch directions. Usually I'll do 9 in one direction, 9 in the other direction. If you really want to work out, you can do 18 in each direction. Keeping the spine nice and long, breathing out, breathing in. So I'll turn and sink, and raise and turn, and turn and sink, and raise and turn. Elongate. Wagging the tail and turning the head. Thank you for watching.